4 steps to change your self talk to be your ally. What if you were offered a coach who could see you through every tough challenge you faced? What if someone was always there with an encouraging word to bolster your courage and build you up? Someone who knows you better than any other person in the world and still thinks you're terrific. Someone who only sees the success you can be and never brings up the past or criticizes unfairly. Now, what if I told you this someone is already there in your life waiting to be heard? Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? There's only one catch. You have to drop the negativity and make your self talk your ally, not your enemy. Read on to discover 4 steps to do just that. Pay attention to the dialogue. You can't change what you don't understand. The first step is to start paying attention to the things you tell yourself. What kinds of things are you saying? Are there pet phrases? Do you seem more negative after certain triggers? What are the sticking points you come back to again and again? Learn to tune things out. By listening, we allow negativity free rent space in our heads. It's better to just acknowledge what's being said and ignore it. The more you make a big deal out of it, the more you're giving it room to grow. Instead, tell yourself, okay, this is there. Who cares? Find your phrase. Here's where you get to create your go-to phrase. Make it a good one, as you're going to get a lot of mileage out of it. Even something simple like, you've got this, can pack a positive punch. Pick something that makes you feel good when you hear it. Insert this into your dialogue as needed. Remind yourself to focus. The problem with negative self-talk is it's so distracting. When you catch it happening, call yourself back to what you're doing. If it helps, even say the word focus out loud. It can be helpful to get your attention back to where it needs to be. There's no room for negativity in that kind of concentration. When we engage in positive self-talk, this inner dialogue becomes an ally like no other. You open yourself up to growth and change. You discover a whole world of possibilities, and as a result, accomplish more than you ever thought possible.